Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Marvelous Monday. I'm Leslie Watkins. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. I just wanted to show you the overabundance of some of the things that I found in my stocking. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, so this isn't going to be helping my my goal to slim down this next year. I may have to postpone the start of my program. I had a wonderful Christmas. It was really fun. It was small, just family, and really nice. Some flew in from San Francisco to the East Coast, and thankfully there were no issues, and hopefully they're on their way back home with no further weather delays with all this snow. So if you're somebody who's out in the Midwest and has been experiencing extreme cold and snow and power outages, my thoughts are with you. We were very lucky here at Dandelion Cottage. Just have a little dusting of snow to make it pretty for the holidays. It is extremely cold, but I'm extremely fortunate in that the cottage is small and easy to heat, so it's very cozy here. I'm a little disorganized today because of all of the holiday activity, but I've had my Christmas journal in the back of my mind, and now that I've got a few additional tags and cards and things like that, I've got a really nice collection of items that I want to add to my journal. And if you have not been watching and you're curious, I'm designing a keepsake Christmas journal. So I'm going to start making it this week. You're welcome to join in with me. I'd love to have you join in with me. And I will also be announcing a kit to help you get started. So if you just need a few items for the base of the journal, I will send those to you. And the way you find out about getting the kit is subscribing to Notes from Dandelion Cottage. So if you go to my website, dandelioncottagedesign.com, there is a tab there that says Notes, and you can subscribe to my mailing list. And I will also be posting that link below at the end of the video today after I upload it. Once you are on the mailing list for Notes, I'll be able to send you a registration form for the class and the kit, and that will help you to make the basis for your journal. And then it's up to you to take all of your Christmas cards and tags and things from your scrap room, papers, beautiful decorative papers, embellishments, ribbons to decorate it, and I'll also be giving you some ideas on how to do that. But I have been steadily collecting things the past few weeks, and I want to show you how it's developing. So these are some extra tags. We also did this very fun game that I wanted to share with you. These are some notes that people wrote me at the Christmas table, and what we did was we all got little scraps of paper and a pencil or a pen, and the idea was to write down on the scraps what you were grateful for each of the other people sitting at the table. So you would put the person's name, and then you would put a word or two of what it was about that person that you were grateful for, and then you would fold it up, fold it in half, and put it in front of that person. And you would just go around to all the different people at the table with all the different things that you were grateful for. And then we took turns, and we read what people wrote, and it turned out to be extremely special. And so I have some things here that I'm going to include in my journal that I got from people in my family that are going to make this very personal to me. I have handmade Christmas tags. I've got some embellishments from my stash. I've got Christmas cards that I got in the mail. I even have this old vintage tag. This is really old, okay? And I don't even know who these people are, but isn't that wonderful? So this is an old tag that features some dry embossing. It's got some gold, hot gold printing on it. You can see the embossing a little bit better here, and of course it's die cut and it has this kind of ancient cord on it. So I'm going to be including this as part of the decorations. And then a lot of this stuff you've already seen in previous videos, but what I wanted especially to share with you today was the frontispiece. So I'm just going to put this aside for the minute. Make sure I have these all in a plastic bag to make sure that I don't lose anything, because there's a lot of little things here. And I want to show you how this is coming out. So last, I don't remember what day it was. Maybe it was Wednesday or Monday. I guess it was Monday. I showed you a sketch that I did. So I had a pencil sketch. You can't see that very well. So this is just my rough sketch that no one would probably understand except for me, okay? But it helped me, it gave me the proportions of the frontispiece. And the frontispiece is just a piece of artwork that faces the title page in a book. And then it also has some areas for words. So I wanted it to say, I wanted a Merry Christmas sentiment. I wanted to do some die cuts and some embossing around the borders. And then I had the main panel where I was going to do some stamping. So I did all of that, and I wanted to show you how it came out. So here it is. And I'll give you a close-up look at that. So I used a number of stamps in my collection, some of my favorite ones. So I've got Lovely as a Tree, Nature's Beauty. I've got that angel stamp that had the wonderful border designs on it. So this is all heat embossed with gold, metallic gold. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put a watercolor wash in the background. And I did it in this order because I wanted the gold to act as a resist against the watercolor. And I'm just going to put a light wash, so I'll have some sky tones and some shadows in the snow and a little bit of color on the deer, and keep it very simple. And then this will be glued down in the front of my Christmas journal, and then the rest of the pages are going to be a collection of flips, pockets, tags, you know, you name it, all sorts of different things. And I will be able to show that to you better on Saturday for Paper Crafting Saturday, because by that time I should have the whole thing assembled. I'm going to be doing some stitching on the pages with the sewing machine, and then I will hand stitch the pages into the binding. So if you're somebody that's interested in doing something like this, if this sounds like fun, and I'm very excited about it, then please subscribe to Notes so that I can send you the information. And you will, if you sign up for the class, you will learn how to make a bound journal that will protect all of these beautiful mementos. I think that's about it for today. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an indication of what I have coming up. It's going to be a kind of a hectic week for me because I'll be rearranging and cleaning out my studio space. So I'm not going to be sharing any how-to or involved videos while I get all of that organized. But I'll try to pop in and make sure that I can keep you up to date on what's happening here. And I wish you all a wonderful post-Christmas week. We're getting ready for the new year. For me, this new year is going to be all about scrap busting. So if you're like me and you have a lot of things in your collection and you'd like to learn new ways of how to use your papers and your stamps and all the other things that you have, then please like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot of things coming right up that I think you're going to like. So stay well, stay happy, stay creative, and I will see you next time.